where in our profession, things tend to get tough very often. And here is a person, we've all seen him resolutely stand in front of the fastest bowlers of the world, taking hits on the body and succeeding. So it's very, very motivating to have you here. So have a good time, everybody, and all the best.
Now, can I request Karthik sir to kindly come forward as he has a surprise for all of us.
Sorry guys, I think last night we unveiled it. MCL wouldn't have been complete without an anthem dedicated to MCL. It's been created by very, very budding artists from Bangalore. We've taken a slice of it. Listen in. There are going to be surprises because we will have dance moves, etc., which are also going to go ahead and win prizes. MCs will announce that during the course of all the games. So listen in to our, anthem and get your dance moves on. And it's all set to go. Another first from MCL.
Is known for his disciplined, patient batting style, played in over 100 test matches for India, a specialist in first-class cricket. One and the only Chiteshwar Pujara.
Just let the yeah.
Check. A warm welcome to you.
Thank you. Sorry, I'll just
First you.
Yeah, thank you. Very good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure to be part of Manipal Champions League North and West region. And I would like to thank Mr. Dilip, Mr. Karthik, and Mr. Pramod for inviting me here. It's a pleasure to be part of this wonderful event. And it's good to see everyone, really excited to play this game. And yeah, I think this game teaches you a lot. In my cricketing journey, I've learned a lot from this game. And when I talk about the Indian cricket team, whenever we win, the entire India is together. So I can see a lot of enthusiasm here when you are playing this game. I would request you to learn a lot from this game, make a lot of friendship, make a lot of memories. But as everyone was discussing, play in the right spirit of this game. And I hope you enjoy this next few days and enjoy this game and learn a lot.
Thank you so much, Pujara. I just want to ask you that, you have represented the country for such a long time and you have seen so many ups and downs. One thing which you would like to share from the sport, which is very, very, very important to all the teams out here.
Well, in cricket, I've seen a lot of ups and downs. The journey has always been challenging. But the important part is you will have success and failure in life. But it's important to stay balanced during your success and failure, because life will have ups and downs. But if you can stay balanced, if you can stay focused on your goal, then eventually you will come out on top.
Truly very, very inspiring. So, what is your say on the MCL initiative for which we all are here?
Well, it's a great initiative because everyone, is playing together. People are coming from India, different parts of the country, and everyone is going to play this game together, which is the most important part because it teaches you how to be successful with the team. It's not just about an individual, but it's about everyone collectively working towards one goal. which is to win the game here, but even in your respective fields, you need help. You need to help each other to be successful. And that is what this initiative is all about, because it teaches you the team spirit. Whether you win or lose, but to participate and to play in the right spirit is important.
One more question that, okay, let the plane pass. Pujara, you're so cheerful. So one secret behind your graceful smile and you stay so fresh all the time.
Well, for me, as we were speaking about importance of health, what I do is I try and do yoga and breathing exercises. To stay healthy is important, and nowadays we live in a life where the life is so fast, so we don't spend enough time on our health. But I try and ensure, because I'm a cricket person, I'm a sports person, so I have to be fit. But it's not just your physical fitness, but even the mental fitness is important, and that's why I try and do yoga and breathing exercises, which keeps me calm under pressure, because to handle the pressure is important. And in respective field, it's not just cricket, but any sport or any profession will have its own challenges. And when you are facing challenges, if you can stay calm, if you can stay positive, then it always helps.
Thank you so much, Pujara. And we are so feeling motivated right now. Thank you so much. So that means everyone, we have to take out some leisure time on daily basis for ourselves, for our personal and mental grooming. And now, may I have Mr. Dilip Jose, sir, to kindly come forward and felicitate Cheteshwar Pujara with a beautiful token of immense appreciation. And this is for you on behalf of Manipal Hospitals. We are so, so, so happy to have you here. Thank you so much, Dilip, sir. Now let us get ready for the national anthem, and I would like to request all the dignitaries from Manipal Hospitals to kindly come forward and be ready. Can we request Mr. Deepak Venugopal, Regional COO, South Region, Mr. Sagar Siddiqui, Regional COO, Central Region, Anna Gupta, Regional CEO, East Region, Madhur Gopal, AVP Sales and Marketing, Manipal Hospitals, Vikas Tayyar, AVP International Marketing, Manipal Hospitals, Mr. Sojwal Vora and Dr. Nidli. Everyone in attention position. Let's get ready for the national anthem. Jai Hind! Jai Bharat! Thank you so much, everyone. And now we request Chiteshwar Pujara to kindly come forward and meet all our team captains and the team members. Are you all ready? Yeah, it's time to have one-on-one with Chiteshwar Pujara. And meanwhile, the meet and greet is going on. We would like to tell you that the national anthem was played by one of the very renowned artists from the country. They are called as Dost. And now they are going to come up with their next performance, and I'm sure that it's going to be heart-throbbing. So ladies and gentlemen, wait for them to play the next. Over to the Dost. Oh my goodness.
మనిషిలా ఒకడు పోజులు కొడతాడు మంచి మనిషిందంటూ ఒకడు నీకు చెప్తాడు కాదు సత్త కాదు తాగుతే తాకండి అంటావా మామా అంటావా మామా అంటావా మామా అంటావా
Make it knock, 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 knock like this. Make it pop, 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 pop like this. Make it knock, 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 knock like this.
Now we will request all the teams to kindly get ready and please wait for your turn as we will have all the teams forward for a group photograph with Chiteshwar Pujara. So every team is going to get a chance. Please wait for your chance. Wait for your turn. Not to leave their respective teams for some time as the group picture opportunity is lying ahead on the cards, and we will request to take your positions. As we can see that the blue team is here and the yellow team is all set to get clicked. So we will request all the teams to kindly think about the positions what they are going to pose in front of the camera, because you have to strike quickly.
choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you forget I'm and if you forget I'm tell me I'm fine, but this is Africa. This time for Africa. This time for Africa. ¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde estás? He movido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy, de repente, y das sentido toda mi vida con tu querer.
We request the first teams to be there at the pitch for the toss, please. Kalinga Warriors and Coastal Hunters. Please come for the toss. I request Kalinga Warriors captain and Coastal Hunters captain to please come here. Please join us near the pitch. Pull the water. Coast Kalinga Warrior captain. Now we all are having to us between the Collectors and the Coastal Hunters. Hello.
You could make.
What is the call?
We will ball first. The conditions are good and we want to this also. Cold here and they are the very good teams. I think we'll face and there will be.
So, Hunters won the toss and Kalinga Warriors.
Thank you. I think we won the toss. So, that's good. Listen.
इस पे ना बहुत तेज आवाज आ रही है
Clear the pitch. Please clear the pitch.
That's it, Pujara. Thank you so much. Thank you. We'll have one photograph with all the kids.
Can we have you near the pitch? We invite you near the pitch as the toss for the women's team is going to take place. I'll request you to kindly assemble at the ground 1 wicket. Captains from MHB Queens and Jaipur Royals. So boys and girls, I hope that our artist for today, that is Dost, has built up the enthu and strengthened you really well. We all were dancing, we all were having so much of fun in the very beginning of the day. So now there is the next performance by Dost coming up very soon. Can we request Dilip sir to kindly come near the cricket field as we are all set to do the women's toss. And the women's toss will be done by Dilip sir. So we request Dilip sir to kindly come at the pitch 1. और मौसम इतना खूबसूरत है कि मेरा तो बस नाचने और गाने का मन हो रहा है because it's a very, very lucky day. Yesterday only we celebrated Mahashivratri and now it's Manipal's Champions League 2025. So we will have one more performance by Dost. Can we have the cameraman here? हम लोग women's team का toss करवाने जा रहे हैं and Dilip sir is here. Along with Pramod sir.
Start.
Both the captains are here.
So this is toss time for the women's tournament of Manipal Champions League. Hold sir. So we have with us Dr. Triveni from Jaipur Royals and Reshma from MHB Queens. So Mr. Dilip Jyoti is having the coin in hand. Sir is going to flip the coin. Who is making the call? Reshma the call. Go ahead, sir. Head is the call. It is head. Which means Reshma, MHB Queens, you won the toss.
What do you like to do first?
Bowling first. We'll bowl first.
Any particular reason for choosing bowling?
Just we want.
थोड़े से पंजाबी गाने हो जाए। खेलने आए, थोड़ा सा तो जोश चाहिए हमें। What is the target you are looking to hold them on?
40 to 45.
40 to 45 is what they are saying in 8 overs. Dr. Triveni, coming to you, what is your plan? Your team is batting first.
We'll try to score 90 plus.
It's almost double the gap, 45 and 90. Let's see who will make it. Sir, what is your say on this toss, sir?
I just want the best team to win. Good luck to both Jaipur and MHB. All the very best to you.
So toss done of this women's first match between MHB Queens and Triveni, Dhaka. MHB Queens have won the toss and they have decided to bowl first.
Well, all the best to the women's team, Queens and Jaipur Royals.
Nikita, near your card.
And all the best to the men's team as well. So it's a very, very lucky and a special day for all of us, as we can see both of them. The women have their own team and the men have their own team. Both are going to play in the best of their spirits. And now meanwhile everyone is getting ready. All the cricketers and players out. Ladies and gentlemen, we request the Doors to start their performance.
चलिए थोड़ा भंगड़ा पाते
हेलो सन छड्डना नहीं असी छड्डी आई रख पी के दारू नारे यार पाए नहीं खलारे तैनू दिल विच हसी ना खारे अज तेरा सारा गुस्सा पंज तारा के उत्ते जग तारे आवे तेरा सारा गुस्सा पंज तारा के उत्ते जग तारे आवे तेरा सारा गुस्सा पंज तारा के उत्ते जग तारे आवे तेरा सारा गुस्सा थोड़ा सॉन्ग प्ले करिए सॉन्ग थोड़ा प्ले करना प्लीज कैटवॉक वाली देखी है तेरी चाल एड्रेस सुन लगती कमाल कितने चली जानी है चली जानी है पूछना कोई सवाल दस दे को बारियां किस ने तुना दूर दूर जानी है जान मत जानी है And Kalinga Warriors to please start their match. Requesting Coastal Thunder and Kalinga Warriors to please come on the field, start the match. Last 3 minutes. What a chance for us. Gagan, please join me here to Gagan.
to send their opening batsman. And I would request Coastal Thunder to set their feet for the very first match of Manipal Champions League, 3rd edition 2025 North and West Region. A huge round of applause for our dost. Please, can we have a big round of applause for our dost? Thank you those for the spectacular and amazing performance. I want one representative of Kalinga Warriors team and one from the Coastal Thunder to sit with the scorer. Need the DJ console, please. Can I have one representative from Kalinga Warrior team and one from the Coastal Thunder near the pitch, please? One representative here. Also, I request Coastal Thunder to set up their field for the very first match and Kalinga Warriors to send their opening batsmen on the pitch. I request one representative of Coastal Thunder to join me near the pitch.
हाँ हो गया ना उनको गिफ्ट देने हैं मैं आ रहा हूँ 2 मिनट दे मेरे को One representative. You have to sit with the scorer. कैप्टन को बुलाओ यार स्क्वाड 2022 का स्क्वाड दे रखा है यार दोनों कैप्टन को बुलाओ यहाँ पर
I request both the captains of Kalinga and Coastal Thunders to join me near the pitch. Captains of Kalinga Warriors and Coastal Thunders, please come near the pitch.